So today we're going to focus on an area that a lot of technical speakers struggle in, turning data into a decision. And the big idea here is that we want to take data and turn it into something that has meaning for the audience, particularly audiences that don't have as much technical knowledge as you. So to help us do this, we have a thinking frame, which we called data, D-A-T-A. The D describe what the data shows. So you've got to start from the data. A, analyze what it means for the audience, right? Interpret it a bit, describe it a little bit, just make it a little bit clearer. T, translate why this matters for the audience. Why should the audience care about this data? And then A is some sort of action. What sort of decision or behavior do you want as a result? To highlight this, we've got an example from a very technical speaker from the semiconductor industry called Jensen Huang. Let's have a look at that now.
Your data center, it used to be a data center for files. It's now a factory to generate tokens. Your factory is limited no matter what. Everybody's looking for land, power, and shell. Once you build it, you are power limited. Within that power limited infrastructure, you better make for darn sure that your inference, because you know inference is your workload and tokens is your new commodity, that compute is your revenues, that you want to make sure that the architecture is as optimized as you can.
So there, even though this is quite a technical subject, Jensen breaks it down in a very logical way, starting from this transition from your data center used to be a place where you put files, in other words, an IT cost, and now it's actually a source of revenue, in other words, a business edge, a business strategy. That's how technical data can move into the business audience. So remember the acronym DATA.